Dear student, I am Kushbu Dadish. This is computer network subject and code is 6EC402. Here we are going to learn about Ethernet in unit link layer. So what is Ethernet? Ethernet is created by Metcalfe, Robert Metcalfe, and Ethernet is a multiple access network, meaning that a set of nodes send and receive frames over a shared link, or you can think like Ethernet is like a bus that has multiple stations plugged into it. So it is also known as Dix Ethernet, and IEEE standardized Ethernet as 802.3 and it uses Manchester encoding and Ethernet framing also. So here we are going to discuss Ethernet evolution. It contains four parts. First one is standard Ethernet, second is fast Ethernet, third one is gigabit, and fourth is 10 gigabit. So first, fast Ethernet. See, standard Ethernet is a normal Ethernet as we are called. It's a multiple access or multiple access network where we one node send data to another node, fine, and it has a limit that is 10 mbps only. So for increasing for increasing the rates of internet, we are moving on fast ethernet. So fast ethernet was designed to compete with LAN protocols such as FDDI, fiber distributed data interface, or fiber channel. IEEE create fast Ethernet under the name 802.3U. Fast Ethernet is backward compatible with standard Ethernet, but it can transmit data 10 times faster at a rate of 100 Mbps. This is the topologies of fast Ethernet: point to point topology and a star topology. In point to point, one node connected with another node only, and in a star topology, one node connect with switch and then switch connected with various nodes. So gigabit Ethernet 802.3Z. The need for higher data rate results in the design of gigabit Ethernet, that is 1000 Mbps, or IEEE committee calls the standard 802.3Z here. All configuration of gigabit Ethernet are point to point between two computers, or point to point one computer with switches. It's supposed to different modes operation: full duplex mode and half duplex mode. Full duplex mode is used when computers are connected by a switch. No collision is here, and CSMA CD is not used. That means carrier sense multiple access is not done here. This is the topologies of gigabit ethernet. Here also we are connected by a switch also, and or we can say hubs by the connecting device like switches and hubs, and this is point to point connection here. Half duplex is used when computers are connected by a hub. Collision is hub is possible, and so CSMA CD is required. The 802.3Z committee considered a radius of 25 meter to be unacceptable and added two new features to increase the radius. Carrier's extension tells the hardware to add its own padding bits after the normal frame to extend the frame to 512 bytes. Frame bursting allow a sender to transmit a concentrated sequence of multiple frames in a single transmission if the total burst is less than 512 bytes, and the hardware pads it again. Now we are moving on switched ethernet. See, we are so many times we are called that there is a connection between point to point, or a computer connect with a switch and then connect with multiple computers. So what is switched ethernet? The heart of the system is switched containing a high speed backplane and room for typically 4 to 32 plug in a card, each containing 1 to 8 connectors. See, these all are connectors here, and through this connector we are connect Ethernet here, like that. When a station want to transmit a frame, it it outputs a frame to switch, and the um, plug-in card checks to see if the frame is for other station on the same card. If so, it is copied through there. Otherwise, it is sent over high-speed backplane to destination station card. That means what? See, when a station sender transmit a frame, like if a sender transmit a frame and output a frame to switch, then firstly plug-in card checks to see frame and then it send it. Fine. I hope you understand about Ethernet. Thank you so much.